And here we are with my dream bag. This is one of the new lizard pieces. I really like it. You guys know I'm a big fan of the Chanel 31 bag. This is such a casual style. That is a view, no? Hello. I was really looking forward to this year's summer raffia bags by Celine. What is this? I'm just coming out of the hospital and it was a benign fibroma, so all good. I'm super happy. Look how pretty it is here. Also, this is my bag that brought me luck today. And guys, I'm usually never here, but this looks so pretty right now with the clouds and the sun in the background. And believe it or not, I've just been queuing for like an hour to get the Magnolia banana pudding. I don't know when we can make it next to New York, so New York came to us. This is my third time actually trying, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's such a beautiful day. And we got it, the classic banana pudding, and this is the iced latte with banana pudding. We did it, we got the banana pudding, and by the way, this is my everyday understated running errands, running groceries outfit. Yep, and I really wanted to bring my Chanel classic flap with my little Gengar plush. How cute is this? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So here we are finally actually hunting for some beautiful summer bags. So today's goal is, I don't really have a goal, let's be honest. I just want to float around a little bit. It is really hot. We have a couple of hot summer days coming up. Everything above 26 degrees is not for me. So I'm super casually sporty dressed today, but I have my favorite bag in the world with me. So I want to look at the Swan bag, obviously. I have never touched it, I've only seen it with Hammour. And yeah, so I hope they still have it somewhere. Then secondly, I want to see the new Matthieu Blazy Metiers collection, if possible. They're probably not gonna have any of my croc bags anyway, so we see. And the new Dior raffia bags, I really want to see them as well. So that's today's kinda goal. And yeah, let's see. And look how beautiful London is. By the way, I have no idea what to wear. I'm looking for, you know, summer clothes that are still me, that are looking good, but that are super easy to just throw on for these hot days, and I cannot find anything. Tell me how you are getting through the hottest days. Quick stop at Celine, because you guys know it is really my kind of style. I love their boho chic. I'm still thinking about their beautiful coat that we tried on, you know, during the winter time. I'm waiting for it to go on sale, but unfortunately, so far it hasn't happened. And here we are with my dream bag. They have one. They got it in yesterday. And it is super lightweight. I was really thinking it's super heavy because of the metal frame, but oh my god, here she is. What do we think? So you can wear it like this. Or, of course, like a little clutch. You can entirely remove the chain as well. And it really is super lightweight. I just love the eye. And it's leather lined inside and out. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah. It's like a burgundy magenta, right? It is so stunning. I was really worried that it's heavy, but it's not. So here we are. What do we think? Let me know. So here she is, and it is just as lightweight as my beautiful bag. Okay guys, that was a Chloe What can I say? When I saw the bag with Hannah for the first time, we did not try it on because the bag was reserved for somebody else. So obviously, you know, we didn't want to touch it or anything. So I had no idea, but it is lightweight. It really is. Ticks all my boxes. Quick stop at Chanel. I mean, I have no hopes because all the Matthieu Blazy pieces are so popular and probably sold out. Especially the ones I'm hunting, like the Croc Surf Executive Tote. But you never know. So that's why we're gonna go in and try our luck. If we're here anyway, of course. Look at this cocoa handle. Is that a frog? Oh, that's a little frog. That's cute. And Chanel. Let's see what's new. Okay, and let's see. Oh, look at this little squirrel bag charm. Super cute. Look at the feather shoes. Would you wear something like that? Hello. This is pretty. Don't want to know how much this one costs. This is one of the new lizard pieces. That's too close to my Bvlgari bag. So this caught my attention and I really like it. You guys know I'm a big fan of the Chanel 31 bag. You know, this is an east-west kind of version. The leather is beautiful. I could probably just wear this as a clutch as well. I really like this. This one goes with my outfit. It's a nice tote. You can wear it with a sporty outfit like mine today on a hot summer day. Yeah, I like it. This is such a casual style. What do we think about this? Quick stop at Dior because I really would like to see the new raffia totes. They are quite cute. I think a lot of people actually like them. I wonder if they are sold out as well. Let's see. Guys, I love the cakes. Look at this display. Beautiful. Look at that. This is really stunning. Hello. So they're not sure if they have the raffia bags, but they have this one in canvas. I think it's the same style and the same size. But yeah, so I just need to keep an eye on my bag. So yeah. What do you guys think? I think the raffia in the... Sorry, this is a close-up. I really wanted the raffia with a pink leather. Such a dream bag. I'm always trying to find a spot where the light isn't flickering, but Dior is famous for the lights flickering. Guys, the woman just grabbed my bag, so I had to jump in there and say, sorry, that is my bag. So I have to keep an eye on it. Thank you. Thanks. So guys, they have them in Selfridges, so I would say let's head there. To be honest, I'm not even feeling Louis Vuitton, so I don't really want to head in there. There guys, a Dior, and this is the bag we're looking for, the raffia with the pink leather. Oh, I love it. This is the nicest raffia bag I've seen in a while. Guys, here it is. So this is from Germany originally, but I've been here for like 15 years, so. So yeah. And by the way, the SA just recognized my Bvlgari bag, so. So this is the beautiful raffia bag in the pink leather. It comes in white as well, right? But I think the pink is so cute. Okay, sold out. It will come back. Okay. So guys, what do we think? I think this is absolutely gorgeous. This, I haven't wanted a beach bag in a while, but I think this is such a stunning beach bag and it's so intricate for raffia. I mean, most raffia bags are just like woven regularly, right? I feel like this is art in itself. Let me put it on my shoulder. So this is the bag on my shoulder. and you can adjust the strap, so that is pretty cool. Look at this, you know, this is the medium length. You can make it even longer, you can make it shorter. I like it. So he recognized that this is a Palini bag. That is pretty good. Most people don't even recognize Bvlgari. So this is the beautiful inside. You have basically a canvas material and then a leather pouch. Okay, so this is the white one. It's champagne gold hardware. So this obviously looks pretty good today with my sporty outfit. Just need to keep an eye on my bag. Yeah, which one do you like more? The white or the pink? So let me give you a close-up of this one as well. Beautiful, no? Let me know what you think. Look at that. That is a view, no? I wonder how much they were, you know, after the Dior scandal. Because I always thought the book tote was really intricate as well, but it's like 57 euro. So I wonder how much work and, you know, extra cost goes into these. Does anybody know? And the SA just came and said, I have a feeling you would like this. I mean, it's beautiful. It's very blingy, obviously. The saddle bag is not for me. But it's a beautiful piece. I don't even know if you can put this on your shoulder. Barely. So keep that in mind. Fendi, you guys know I'm not the biggest Fendi fan, but oh, look at the bag charms. So cute. Okay, these are adorable. You know, I've been wanting one of the Adam bags for a while. This is the newest teeny tiny version of the rose bag, and it is super cute. I have not seen this clutch yet either, but this is already a small bag. And then look at this one, and here we are. This is the tiniest little Adam bag. I like it. It's really difficult to see the red. It's red velvet. I don't know if I can capture it, but is this not adorable? I always wanted one of these. Maybe I'm gonna get the tiny one, you know, so that I don't have the urge anymore to get one, but I have one in my collection. Tell me please, would you get this as a tiny little evening bag? I thought I'm just gonna walk through LV because they don't really have anything that I'm interested in, but then of course I see these little bag charms and I have to stop. I'm such a sucker for cute little things, cute bag charms, and you can get me with these. Oh my god, this is the resale fridges section, and this small Gabrielle bag. I've been wanting it for a long time. Not this one, it's a bit dirty, but £2,000. I think for this condition is even a little bit too much. And the Celine pop-up. We have this pop-up every single year. In Selfridges here. Hello. And to be honest, I don't think they have lots of new bags, but we're gonna give it a try. So I have to be honest, guys, I do not understand it. So I loved Celine's raffia bags, but this is not it. This is not it. The leather of these is nice. You guys know I'm a big leather fan when it comes to Celine. You know, they use really good leather. I love my patent leather as well, and patent can sometimes be sticky. It's beautiful, but I just don't get these. I was really looking forward to this year's summer raffia bags by Celine. What is this? Is it just me? Or are these bags not good? This cute, but because it's a traditional Nino bag, well, I'm still thinking about these. I'm still in love with this one. Haven't seen it since winter. Even with these ones, what is happening? They are ugly. I have to say it out loud. So another example, yeah? These are the classic ones, you know, we've seen them for years. This looks like a fake. Like the proportions of the logo to the bag are totally off. Look at the handles. Like, it looks horrific. This is quality, okay? Look at that. Look at this. Okay guys, we actually got to see all three bags that I was interested in. The Dior Raffia, the Chloe Swan, and some of the new Matthieu Blazy Chanel bags. So let me know. Some clouds, you know, I'm so happy. It was so hot when the sun was shining. I like this a lot better. Okay, so let me know if you would get any of the bags we've seen today. And yeah, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!